okayfm 101.7.
Mensaka yewura Koku Anyidoho na wono ene CEO Emma Unauthorized Institute. Mira Koku mi mo ache no pay.
Ima mi josu kwame.
Na boko de.
Kedi ampa daroma.
Na we de mami menhye nkomo ya sese. Yewura Unauthorized. O papa wa de nyina onya ne kra chi koye no. We yes we be share ni munyam enam so ema Unauthorized Institute be boade. Wunyaye ni memorial lectures no mani ade ekoso eni so ade hunu mu ejare tutu mpanimfu anim ema his excellency na Adan Kwakufu Ado se Koku meboa wo wo baba Unauthorized da bia wo beso da ya kuna project na wedu ab stage na wo so da yin mu wa kire papa mu na akwaye na afi okọ aye kakra ja su kira ban wo mu kra ye opposition fo tu but wo mu te Koku Anyidoho asemase emenei se tata amu Dr. Efremamu a wanya ne ba bi ko ne dwum bi a me de o se eni da so anya kansa na gidin so anya yohunu edi kanfo emo maye bia maye ye bomu se ye mamu mo edi kanfo mo osabari mambo okupan ma wie kumbo mirika no ma wie tu mo gidin so mo asomo asie mo sanya kankunim edi kanfo emo maye bia maye ye bomu se ba Koku yeri amose endisi amanyuko ne se one sabi Professor Mills wo fra amanyuko ene obaye president ene owu se Ghana president ana amanyuko from ye NDC ye toso mienu aja boso ko ma wagina boso wa manyuko no eye NGO edi enti na NGO na invite NDC for so omumra wo bra ade no kra no sa Asomdwe park oyesima former president and former vice president wo menyo mba bi kro de ta to so biewuo wo kra no yi wafra manyokuo no wonka ho enti bibia eye kwezai ana NDC bia no enya ade a esese won sasom bi na yi kra no aban and Coastal Development Authority for no ayemfum so se wo mama wo twro krata wo wangi odimu Unauthorized Institute wudi court of arms team so na se wo maka kire NDC ni biara se ade na abeye no eye monko amasem so wo ma mehu wo no wo ma trans aban hu wo ma wo monko asem mo obi akora metwam wo kora na okase mehu de wo mo yo afei de ewo mu a ese hu pa ne se baby a eno a semitie onabo Unauthorized wo am se ni funu no tomb no has been tampered. Mini akogana edi nkomo sesi a wo se so we a baby oda no moto wo obi afa ho ene mo se pillars bi afa ho etine ke se mo de mo nsa akeka ene Honorable Unauthorized de no e de akọ de omo kan akọwie nyina ne se enka beya enka sa commission no of the refurbishment no omo fanto okura na wo mo mpani metenase yanwenwi ne ho no omo nya ade national thing nembom enkoye mythical ownership of Koku Anyidoho and his Unauthorized Institute. Mojene say.
You Kwame, good morning, me da say. Jebeche telefona ya da Nyankopon. I say. Kwame.
Koku.
Okay, 101.7.
Sebi, da bena crime. It's a private entity. Any abine beka boom. Aye ejuma. Since when did it become a crime for a private entity to partner with government for a good cause? For a good cause. For a good cause. President Mills, nakupon for Nikrense, 24th July, Enoka baby, 24th July 2012. NSGNO, 10th August 2012, Kwame. Everybody knows the story of Asomdwe Park. Yapacho. Kwame, I've said it this morning elsewhere. Samaya Bone se mapa President Akufo-Addo se omunsi Asomdwe Park. Kwame, yembo mi asendriam. Let me be crucified if it is a crime to have begged for President Mills to have a dignified resting place. But you see, I don't even want to dignify Asiedu Nketiah's statement. Headquarters now more on President Mills is here. Headquarters no more the braka. Do President Mills think Koku Anyidoho. Na Koku Anyidoho ne boneful. Asiedu Nketiah. Ne pa ochopi o chano pa osoria. President Mills be top headquarters. Ni who say do President Mills ampa. That's all.
Oh, I think money like a beer Mills conference hall. Our headquarters. Be a headquarters.
Why in a kind? Why in a kind? Upo President Mills dia wabumusio. Upo President Mills dia wabumusio. Upo President Mills dia wabumusio. Samia Tamils on for autopsy report number.
Now what the autopsy report will to me say?
That's all I'm asking for. So see Nebra. Any akutu, obiakutu, Nebra dead body. Any or the name. On also for autopsy report number. Be the coup President Mills.
Ah, Koku. What's on and I'm dear Kuno?
Me says Samia Tamils no see or autopsy report. On for autopsy report number.
Now there would doubt Tibiana.
Kwame, President of the Republic, 10 years. The nation doesn't know what killed him.
Oh,
and a neighbor shook autopsy report.
Yeah, are you Dr. Cadman Mills? Maybe Kaiser or Kaiser?
Please,
okay.
With due respect, leave Cadman out of this.
Okay.
With all due respect, leave Cadman out of this. Samia Tamils, or Parliament. On for autopsy report in Parliament. Kwame, I don't want. Look.
But Koku, Bibi Owa, a shawa, Entimi ma ne brother, Honorable Samuel Atamils, Entimi fa President Mills, no autopsy report, enko. Say a public document. There will be one more an autopsy, no. The coroner's report, we can get it anywhere.
Kwame, so see my brother who in the same. Check the stories. I see my brother died in my hands. Those are his words. Your brother died in your hands. Your brother died in your hands.
Now I'm warning some.
I saw no more here. Send a brother who won in some.
But what could Suzu? The only one warning some.
No, send a brother who won in some. Look, Kwame, I think that to cut a long story short, I am happy that Asomdwe Park is being built. I don't want to go into pettiness. Kwame, President Mills, who as President of the Republic of Ghana, Ayampa, say NDC, Amanyoko, Nataba Yonsona, or the BD President. But at the end of the day, Kwame, the Republic of Ghana, NEC, and the Republic of Ghana is remembering him after 10 years. Let us remember him in dignity. As for those who hate me, those who are envious of me, those who dislike me, the Master Christ, he also walked that path. So if I'm walking that path, it's not a problem for me, Kwame. And I may say, where I am now, let me be crucified. Let me be tied to the stakes and shot for helping build Asomdwe Park. I don't have any problem. I know that I will give a good account of my stewardship on earth. Kwame, what is it? Dear.
But one more raising point to be in the letter said that Asomdwe Park, is a national monument. And
who says that it's not a national monument? Have I ever said that it's not a national monument?
No.
It's a national monument. And so what? It's a national monument. Did you build it? No. Somebody has built it. Is that not it?
Mm-hmm.
So it's a national monument. And Kwame, I offered you the opportunity to MCO. I think that for some reason you have declined. I just want your listeners to know that I accept your position on the matter. I'm a man of my word. I am not accused later of not giving you what I promised that I'll give you. But it's okay. So Kwame, look, it is sad. But
I didn't know
Kwame, Papa no car baby. Even in our own small families, Kwame. Sebe, Nipaka baby. After 1 year, you commissioned tombstone. Me a choni pani din atu tombstone also. Nese. Kwame, cardboard. Any idea cover grave?
Cardboard no me cover grave. One man ye bia. Ya to tie safa ho.
Ewe. Afi ni ye.
Na bi ni ho dada.
Ewe.
10 years on.
10 years on, Kwame. 10 years on. 5th anniversary. When I'm told, even is a wreath. And you lay here. Every year I buy wreaths and I go and lay. Kwame. Papa no, me oye mama no. Esum ebupi. Otu mi punu wamata fuenin. Odin enkuku po mi trimo. Nukruwa yema brusu. Ini ado ye. Baby mechi. Mi kwandeni. Nara. Adiawa ye amame. Esupe pupi. Mi kwani kopia. Mi kwan shefu. Metina ye ho efi. Utumi puno wamata fuenin. Odi enkugu pa mi trimo. Mikruwa ye ma mosu.
Oh.
Ye ni ha. Oh yeah. Baby, me kwateji nahara adiawa ye amame esume bupi me kwani kobia mi kwa shefu metina ye howe fi.
Amen.
In his time.
Okay, 101.7.
In his time. He makes all things beautiful in His time. Lord, please show me every day as you're teaching me your ways, that you do just what you say in your time. Kwame.
Koku, yem fancy. What's
Thank you.
Everybody in
Thank you.
Everybody in Amen. Koku.
Thank you.
Ora Koku Anyidoho ena yene no atwetwe enkomo no on that load note na.
OKFM 101.7.